people, it's just going to be lopsided.
Hey everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. So what are we doing? We're going to make a green bean house for Stefan. Okay, that was pretty funny. The leg got bent. Okay, this was supposed to go in the dumpster when they cleaned out the house, you know, but they took it out. So what are you going to do with it? My truck doesn't work. I need a diesel mechanic. And I'm going to do something creative. Now, the other one that we're going to do is with some poles. And everybody's seen that one. And I'm going to do that next. But let me show you the first step. Okay, take some string or twine. And you're going to start somewhere on here. And you're just going to start tying these. Okay, I'm not coordinated today. Am I ever coordinated? Oh, here comes the boxers. So what's going to happen is the long beans are going to just go and twine around here. And the beans will actually go above this. What are you doing? Okay, Stefan is so excited about this. He said, "Can I put furniture in there?" I said, "No, probably not furniture." He said, "Well, how many toys can I put in there?" I said, "Well, you could put a couple." I'm surprised he didn't ask for his TV or something. But I have an idea. I think I'm gonna, we have this old log. If Taylor and I can move it, we're gonna maybe put this underneath as it grows, and he could sit on that by his strawberries. He loves his strawberries. He's always so sad when they're done for the year. Well, we have some that are ever-bearing, and so basically they'll come, you know, back. But they do a little, you know, week here, week there. But it's better than nothing. We actually have 3 large circle gardens with this. Oh, here they come. All right, I'll be right back. Oh, here comes Stefan and Taylor to help. I start at 6 in the morning, which is maybe ridiculous, but the sun's gets so bright you can't videotape as much. And they were the troopers that did it. See the strings? Can you guys see those? We're gonna finish that and then I'll show you how to plant the green beans. Okay, the strings are up for this section. I might add maybe one come down this way. And then I'm gonna show you that I'm gonna do it on the same side with her leg up in the air. Stefan is still asleep. I think we kept him out. Last night we had a bonfire. It was a great time. He did marshmallows. Okay, now I'm going to start on this side. All right, on this side, I'm going to plant bush beans because they go up to 2 feet. They're more of a bush. They really don't vine. A little they do, but I'm going to put string here so I can keep tucking them in here. That way they bush right here and there's no issue. And so what I did is I did three yellow wax beans, and on the other side I have purple bush beans. So I thought that was really cool. And so I'll be kind of curious. I don't know, maybe I'll mix them, or else I'll just put one side of one and one side on the other. Okay, maybe one more. What do you think, Taylor?
One more.
Okay. Okay, we just heard a baby kitten somewhere in our wood pile. Now I really want to hurry and do this and go see. It's like...
We did find one once.
Oh yeah. Last year the mom, I was in the barn going to feed the horses, and I heard the screaming. And so I went and got Taylor, because she could find stuff. And the mom had, there's these big tires. We use tires to hold down the greenhouse, to cover the big hay bales. You know, you put a tarp in, a rope, and the weight of the tires keeps them, you know, dry. She had dumped this cat right in the middle to like protect it, but she left it to starve. So we went in and took it to the vet, and it had a cleft palate. And one of our clients is an ear, nose, throat doctor. If you ever need an ear, nose, and throat, let me know. He's like one of the best. And he looked at it. He said, yeah, it couldn't suck. So all you have to do is tube feed it, and then when it gets older, it'll be able to eat. They figure it out, so don't put it down. But I should, I wonder if I have a picture of that cat. It was so cute. So, all right, turn me off.
Okay, we have finished our string.
The first one that I'm gonna do, oh no, they're all tangled, is the Blue Lake beanpole. Oh my gosh. Okay, I should have done this a long time ago. All you do is take one, and once you get it going, these are vigorous climbers. And remember, don't fertilize these. They make their own nitrogen. Look at those roots. Just a handful of compost, and then we'll mulch this. And then you're just going to wrap it around. And in about 2 weeks, you won't even be able to see through here. Is that like cool? The cool thing is when Taylor, Stefan, and I roll that big log over here. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here comes the log. Oh. Okay, it's maybe a little big. Okay, she ate her Wheaties.
Wheaties?
Okay, that should age me. That was the old cereal. If you ate your Wheaties, you were strong. All right, we finished the first one. Okay, so what do you do if you have an old swing set or junk? Don't call 1-800-I-GOT-JUNK. Just make a green bean tower. I'm going to show you the next one. We're going to make a teepee with green beans. Okay, to make the green bean teepee, all you do is take 3 poles or more if you have more, So we're using bamboo, which is ridiculously long, but we want this floof on top. Just see what it looks like. Pick a point on the pole, usually the upper part, and tie it together. Hey, we have to till real quick, but this is ridiculously tall, which is awesome looking. All right, we'll be right back. Part is to push these into the ground. All right, everyone, we lost our top. It fell, the ground was so hard. The mole has moved here. You always know when you have a mole besides the mound, but the whole ground starts cracking. It just dries out because there's air in there. So we had to water it in. We lost our really cool top. It's still kind of there, but anyway, all I do is wrap strings, and I'll show you how to do that. Next, I'm putting some newspaper here as a weed barrier, and then I'm going to put some leaves to keep the ground soil moist and cool for the beans, and also to help with the weed barrier. And then on top of that, I'm going to add cedar mulch. Cedar mulch helps with the mosquitoes and stuff, and it just smells good. Okay, I have these old puzzle pieces that are foam. I thought about putting those in here since he doesn't have a log to, sit on. But I'm thinking maybe it's too babyish. He's going to have a cow since he's 6 now. So I might give this to the Zeisers because they're going to do one of these teepees, or they're supposed to. All right,